Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, I'll explain why having a portfolio is important and share tips on creating one. Let's imagine your portfolio as a scrapbook that captures your incredible school journey. It's a place where you can proudly display your achievements and creative endeavors, giving you a chance to look back and see how much you've grown. Think of it as a cool record that documents all the awesome things you're passionate about, while also highlighting your unique skills and celebrating your remarkable accomplishments. Alright, let's get started.
Introduction. Write a brief introduction about yourself, including your name, age, school name, and a fun fact. My favorite subjects. Share a section where you talk about your favorite subjects in school. You can mention why you enjoy them and perhaps include a drawing or small project related to each. Art and creativity. Showcase some of your drawings, paintings, or any other creative projects you've worked on. You can also include a short description of each artwork. Science Explorer. Display any science projects you've done or experiments you've tried. Include pictures and a brief explanation of each experiment. Reading Adventures. Talk about your favorite books and share a summary or review of each. Mention any reading challenges or goals you've accomplished. Writing Wonders. Share some of your written work, like short stories, poems, or journal entries. Highlight any writing skills you're proud of. Creative coding in computer class. Showcase your digital designs along with certifications in IT and coding. Exhibit computer projects, app designs, and game development that illustrate the intersection of creativity and technology. Explore your journey where coding becomes a canvas for innovation. Physical education and sports. Include any sports or physical activities you participate in. You can add pictures or drawings of you playing sports and share your experiences. Achievements and goals. Share any awards or certificates you've received. Set a few goals for yourself and explain how you plan to achieve them. My friends and hobbies. Share a section about your friends and some of your favorite hobbies outside of school. This could include hobbies like playing musical instruments, dancing, or collecting things. I want to be when I grow up. Include a fun section where you talk about your dreams and what you want to be when you grow up. You can include drawings or descriptions of your future career.